Hello dear students, how to do smart work to get good marks in science subject in SSC board examination in Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board, that we will discuss along with the paper style and chapter wise weightage of science subject. Myself Sunil Kumar Jadhav, welcome back to my channel. Let us begin the paper style, chapter wise weightage and the smart work that you can do to increase your marks. Let us begin. First of all, I will discuss about the chapter wise weightage of standard 10 science. There are total 16 number of chapters. Here there are two type of weightages are given. One is without general option and one is with general option. You know, for this year, as due to corona pandemic situation, Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has decided that it will be given a general option to the student. What is general option? That we already know. We have discussed this thing in maths also, but those who has not seen this video, I am telling you, generally it is happening that in standard 10th internal options are given, like question number 37 or question number 37, and that chapter will be from the same chapter, and even if you are knowing both the answer, till then you will get marks for only one, because that is a internal option, that either you have to write 37 or 37. But in general options they will be given such kind of option where, like section B, total 13 questions are there, out of that you have to write any 9. So that is what we said, the general option, and student will get that benefit of the general option. So that even if they are knowing both the answers of 37 that was given in that option, that is what we say internal option, here if you are knowing both the answer you will get the marks for both the answer. So that is without general option and with general option. First of all, I will talk about chapter number 1, chemical reaction and equation. Without general option the weightage is 4 mark, and with general option also the weightage is of 4 mark. You know, in this particular chapter mainly two sections are there. One is related to balancing of chemical equation and another one is related to the different kind of chemical reaction. So definitely if you prepare how to balance the chemical equation, you are surely going to get 2 marks. So chapter number 1 you can prepare and get this marks. Chapter 2, acid, base and salt. Without general option the weightage is of 6 mark, with general option the weightage is of 10 mark. You can see. So here there is a chance of asking question in 4 marks, that is in section D. That will discuss metals and non-metals. Without general option weightage is 5 mark, and with general option the weightage is of 8 mark. Chapter 4, carbonates compound. Without general option the weightage is 6 mark, and with general option the weightage is of 6 marks. Same. 5, periodic classification of element. Without general option 4 and with general option 6. Life processes. Without general option weightage is 6 mark, and with general option weightage is of 10 mark. So here also you can see this chapter is of 10 marks weightage and this is also of 10 marks. So 4 mark question will be asked most probably from this particular chapter. Chapter 7, control and coordination. Without general option the weightage is 5 mark, with general option also same weightage 5 marks. How do organism reproduce? The weightage without option 6 and with general option 9. Heredity and evolution. Without general option weightage is of 5 mark and the same weightage is there with general option 5. 10, light reflection and refraction. Without general option weightage is of 6 mark, and with general option also the weightage is increased by 3 marks, and that is of 9 marks. 11, the human eye and the colorful world. The weightage without option 5 and the same weightage is there with the general option. Chapter 12, electricity. The weightage is of 12 chapter, the 6 mark, and with general option it is 8 mark. Chapter 13, magnetic effects of electric current. The weightage without general option is 6 mark and with general option is 10 marks. Chapter 14, sources of energy. Without general option weightage is of 4 mark and with general option 4 marks. Our environment. Without general option 3 marks and with general option 5 marks. Sustainable management of natural resources 3 marks and 5 marks. Now we will discuss how you should get the good marks, or even you can pass it easily. Then you can focus on the last 3 chapters. Chapter 14, sources of energy. Chapter 15, our environment, and chapter 16, sustainable management of natural resources. if you see this particular weightage, then you can see it is 433, or you can say 554, means this is of the 14 marks. Sources of energy, in that renewable sources and non-renewable sources, which you have learned since long back, means from beginning of your environment subject you are learning this thing. So it is quite easy and you can write in your own word very easily. So you should get that 4 marks easily. Our environment was a subject introduced to you from the primary classes. In that also, you know, ecosystem you are learning. What is ecosystem? That you know. What kind of food web and food chain? That is also very simple. Along with that, ozone layer depletion is there. Managing of the garbage we produce at our home, that is also quite easy. So that 5 marks also you can get it easily. Sustainable management of a natural resources, that is last chapter. In that also, you know, quite simple things are there, like 4R methods is there. Along with that, how do we manage our natural resources, that is the thing. And along with that, forest system, stakeholders of the forest, water for all, these are the very simple things. Coal and petroleum, these are the topics that you are covering, we are covering in 16 chapters, so that those are also easy. So passing mark is 26. Out of that, this 14 marks you should get it only from these 3 chapters, which are quite easier. So if you focus properly and plan properly, like if you do the smart work, prepare all these chapters, 3 chapters which you are knowing very well, and write point wise, you will get the full marks, this 14. So you have reached up to almost more than 50% for the passing, as a 26 is a passing mark. Now you can focus on chapter number 1. As I told you, in chapter number 1 there are mainly 2 parts. One is the chemical type of chemical reaction, and another one is to balance the chemical equation. If you can balance very well, then you should get 2 marks easily. One question will be definitely asked from that part. And another one is a different type of chemical reactions, that is combination reaction, then decomposition reaction, then displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation and reduction. Along with that, corrosion and rancidity are very simple topic. If you prepare very well, you should get those 4 marks also. Now I would like to say that which are those chapters from which the 4 mark question should be asked. Then you should focus on a maximum marks weightage. Then you can see chapter number 2, chapter number 6 and chapter number 13. So definitely these are the high weightage chapters. So 4 mark question must be asked from this chapter, almost 99%. So what are the topics in chapter number 2? We know that what is the important topic or which question may be asked in 4 marks. Then we know that importance of pH in everyday life is one of the most important questions that you can prepare and get 4 marks. Along with that, you can see the different type of reactions or different type of common salt and its composition, which is given there, like sodium hydroxide, NaOH, bleaching powder, baking soda, its uses and all that, washing soda. Along with that, you know, the lastly plaster of Paris. So these are the topics you can prepare and get this 10 out of 10. Chapter number 3 will discuss metals and non-metals. In that, different kind of chemical reactions are there, chemical properties and physical properties of metal and non-metal. Along with that, you know that the different type of reactivity series is given, and at the end the different processes for the enrichment of ore and extraction of metal is given, which we call as the extraction of metal or occurrence of the metal, which we call as a metallurgy also. And corrosion is also such important topic where you can prepare the prevention of the corrosion, like measures to prevent the corrosion. So this is also very important and easy chapter to prepare. Similar way, chapter number 6, which is of 10 marks. What are the life processes covered? So mostly, you know, the important question is nutrition in human being, human digestive system, and human digestion process is an important thing. Human excretory system is also one of the important thing. Along with that, digestion in amoeba, and all these are a very important question from this. So 4 mark question may be asked from this chapter. Chapter number 13, which is also of the 10 mark. What are the important questions? Magnetic effects of electric current. In that, 2 main important questions are there. One is electric generator and one is electric motor. So that both you can prepare to get the good marks. Along with that, you can see the different chapters. You can target the different chapter, and in that what are the important topics that you know. Even we will discuss once in separate video that what are the important topics that you have to prepare for getting good marks in science in chapter in standard 10th. Here you can do the smart work to get at least passing mark, and you have to write all the answers point wise. Like if 2 mark question is there, you will have to write 4 points. Don't write in an essay manner, but write it in a particular manner with a point to point. If you write it point to point, 4 marks question is there, minimum 8 points should be covered. So if you cover and all important points should be covered, and you will underline those important points, then you will get the full marks. In science it is easy to get 80 out of 80 also. So smart work is required. Along with this, we'll discuss about the paper style. 80-mark paper is there. Section A, objective type question. We have to write the answer in 10 to 24. 24 questions are there, 1 marks each, so total marks will be 24. Here in this section A, all the questions are compulsory. So here there is no internal option. All those 24 questions are given, which you have to write it compulsorily. What are the kind of questions asked in this section A? That is MCQ, multiple choice question. MRQ, which you already discussed, multiple right answer question, means either A, B and C, all 3 may be correct, or any 2 must be correct, or any 3 may be correct, or all are the correct answer. That is what we can write in MRQ. A, B, C, D all are correct. That might be possible. That you will have to write in your answer sheet. Definition. You know what is definition? Different type of definitions are there. Formula, true or false, fill in the blanks. Unit, write the unit of electricity, write the unit of electric potential, potential difference. You can call it, write the unit of the different thing. Like in chemistry also certain units are there. In physics also there it is there. Very short answer questions. Answer in 1 sentence or 1 word. Full form, give the full form. Like ISRO, what is the full form of ISRO? That way any full forms must be asked. Invention and inventors. Identify the part in a given figure. Figure is given and mark must be given with the arrow, that what is the name of this part, that you have to mention there. Odd one out means like pair is given, out of that something is different or odd, that you have to make it out. Arrange in a sequence. Graph related question. Identify the picture. Whatever the picture is given, you have to identify. Complete the sentence. Match the following type of question can be asked in this section A. Take care that none of this type of question increase than 6. Means if MCQ will be asked, that would not be more than 6. If formulas are asked, not be more than 6. True or false, not more than 6. That is, this is care should be taken by the examiner. And you have to prepare, means you have to prepare all the type of questions. Any one question like MCQ or true or false or fill in the blanks cannot be more than 6. Section B. You have to write the answer in 40 to 50 words limit. Question number 25 to 37. This is here it is 1 to 24. This is continuously going on. 25 to 37. Total 13 question, 2 marks each. You have to write any 9 out of that. Answer any 9. So we can say 13 questions are there. Out of that you have to answer 9. 9 2s are 18. So weightage is of 18 mark. Remember here whatever the question is given, like you are knowing the 25th. You are not knowing 26, then don't write 27 to be 26 number. 25 you are knowing, write the answer. 26 you don't know, let it be. 27, write it the question and write it that question number and then write the answer. Then 28, 29 you are not knowing, don't give the number to that. 30, 31, that way you will have to write. Whatever answer you are writing, mention that only. Don't start number 1 from section B again. And whatever section you wanted to start, you can start it with, but complete that particular section once and then only go for the next section. Section C, 60 to 80 word limit. Question number 38 to 46, total 9 questions are there. Out of that you have to write any 6 out of 9 and 6 threes are, so 18 mark section C is there. Section D, question number 47 to 54, 8 questions are there. Out of that you have to write any 5 and 5 threes are 20. I told you which are those chapters you can target, which has the more weightage. From that the maximum chances are that probably it is